Hello guys, this is Miracle Osajele here again, and in today's video I want to talk about how to run a post engagement ad and also how to fund your ad account. So you might be having difficulties trying to fund your ad account and you don't know how to do it. So I'm going to be showing you the payment method you're going to be using and how you can do this, and then your money will be deducted from your bank account then to your Facebook ad account. And also you'll be looking for how you can actually engage people with your posts, with your content. You want to drive traffic, or you want to probably drive engagement, right? You want to drive likes, you want to drive comments, you want to drive shares to your posts, right? This video that you're about to see right now is the best video you need to watch, right? So once again, my name is Miracle Osajele, and I'm going to be showing you how to get this all done using my computer, right? So if this is your first time of coming down to my YouTube channel, all I would like you to do, kindly click on the like and the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop videos, you're going to be the first person to see this video, because my videos are educative content and they are going to help you to gain knowledge in running Facebook ad, and you want to learn how to make money with your particular skill. This particular channel is going to show you how to get all of this done, right? So let's dive in straight away. All right guys, so in today's video I want to show you how to run a post engagement ads and fund your ad account, right? Once again, my name is Miracle Osajele, and if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, all I want you to do right now is to kindly hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and also turn off the notification bell so that anytime I drop video, you'll be the first person to get access and watch that particular video, because every content I'm going to be dropping here are going to be educative, and then they are going to help you and build you to be able to be successful in your agency, right? All right, so I'm going to be diving straight into showing you how to run a post engagement ad, right? So there's a client I'll be running ad for, and then this particular client is running ads for his content. So, and what we do basically is just for us to get people interact with the advert, right? So that's what we'll do basically, and this person is spending a huge amount of money to make sure these things are being done, right? So I'm going to dive into my system right now to show you how it works. All right, so you're welcome back. Now this is it. So this is the particular ad account that I'm using to run these ads. So you can see I run ad for a lot of businesses, and you can see we have different ad accounts right here, and there are still many though. There are still many. So you can see I have different ad accounts right here. All these accounts you are seeing here, they are all ad accounts, right? So this is a particular ad account I want to work on. So what I need to do is to go down to campaigns, right? Go down to campaigns. So I'm going to load up the ad accounts. So I'm going to load up the ad account. So the ad account is loaded right now. All right, so this is the ad account. You can see this ad account is showing error, right? This ad account is showing what? Error. Now it's showing account error. It means that there's no money in this particular ad account, right? So there's one thing I want to do. I want to run an advert and then fund this particular ad account. So what do we do? So for you to start to run your post engagement ad, so all you need to do is to come down here and click on create, click on the create button. Then this section is going to load up. Then I'm going to click on the post engagement ads, then click on continue. Then click on manual engagement campaign, click on continue. One thing about ad is some people think that advert is very, very hard and they cannot do it. So let me just tell you, advert is not hard when you know what you're doing, right? Advert is not hard when you know what you're doing. So now this is the engagement ad. So then I'm going to just probably name my ad. So but I don't want to name it now. I'm going to come back here and name it later. So remember, my campaign was what? Engagement. So then I'm going to switch over down to the next section. Either I click here or I click on next. So I'm going to click on next. It's going to take me down to the second section, right, which is the ad set. So now I'm going to be running ads to okay, so I'm going to leave it on your ad. So get people to watch a video or interact with your post, event or group, right? So I'm going to leave it on this particular one right now. So if I was to run on website, I'm going to click on this one, right? But I don't want to run on that particular one. So what I need to do is just click on this one, because I want people to engage with the video that I want to post, and the video is a comedy video actually. So now then what I need to do now, we have these video views, right? So it's fine like this. So we have the post engagement, then we have the video views. So I'm just going to leave it on post engagement. So I'm going to leave it on post engagement. So let me just put it on post. Initially, I'm going to go for video views, but I want to put it on post engagement, right? And I'm going to monitor what happens next. Then we have maximum engagement with a post. So it's a maximum engagement with a post. So I'm going to leave it that way. Then we have here under budget. Here we have how much do I want to put on budget. So I'm going to put in like 5,000 naira. So I'm going to put in on 5,000 naira. Then that's my daily budget. So we have the start day, we have the end day. So I'm going to leave it here to be like this. I'm not going to do anything there. Then I'm going to come down to where we have audience control. So I'm going to be targeting I want to run this advert to Ghana as well. So I'm going to run this advert to Ghana. Yeah, I'm going to run this advert to Ghana. Okay, I think my network is slow. My network is slow this morning. So I'm going to run that advert to Ghana. I'm going to also run the advert to Kenya, right? So I'm going to run that advert to those countries. Then probably I'm still going to add Cameroon. Yeah, Cameroon. So I'm going to add Cameroon to it. Okay, good. So I can do everything to be cities. So I'm going to make everything to be cities. So I don't want to do all areas. So I want to do only include cities. So I'm going to come down to, I've done Nigeria, include cities. Then I'm going to do Ghana, only cities. I'm going to do Kenya, include only cities, right? I'm going to do Kenya. All right, so I'm going to click on here, click on only include cities, and I'm going to come down to Cameroon, do the same thing. Yeah, right? So I'm done. So what I need to do now is to scroll down. Then we have the minimum age. So the minimum age I want to see this particular ad is like 18 years of age. So that's fine with me. This is actually for content, so it's not like something I really need to specify. So we have advantage plus blah blah and all of that. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. Then we have advantage plus placement. So this particular Facebook that I'm using to run this ad is connected to an Instagram account. So I'm going to leave it to be advantage plus placement. Then I'm going to click on continue. So now what I'm going to be doing here is this. I'm going to be using an existing post that this particular person have already posted on the page, right? So I'm just going to tick here. So remember I told you that this Facebook account is already connected to an Instagram account, so you can see it right here on the identity section. So we have this particular page name here, then we have this other one here too. Then we have now select post, right? I want to use an existing post. I don't want to create post. I don't want to create a post. I want to use an existing post. So I'm going to click on select post. So and then select the particular post I want to run this ad for, right? All right, so that is it. So we have cheating and stingy. We have caught in the act. All right, so we have caught in the act. So I'm going to run advert for this cheating and stingy. All right, so there's a particular post I wanted to post. Okay, now I want to work on with this one. So I'm going to work with this one. So this is one I want to run advert for. So what I need to do next is to come down here and click on continue. Right. All right, so this is the adverts. So you can see the adverts. So this is the content I want to promote. So I don't need to write many things. So you can see this is what the person put down there to be. You see cheating and staging, right? So that's the content primary text. Then I'm going to leave it that way. Then I'm going to come down here. Now we are running adverts, so we want to make it seem like a text to people, so that we don't want people to think that we are sponsoring this ad, because right here you can see that people are sponsoring this ad. So for those of you who want to run adverts for content creators, blah blah, so this is how to basically do it, right? Just to basically do it. So then I'm going to remove this send message now. Look at this is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to come here and click on we have okay, let me scroll up a bit. So we have call to action. So the send message is actually a call to action, right? So I'm going to remove it. So once I remove it, Click on OK. So once I remove it, it's going to show me how plain it is, right? So that when people are seeing this, they will see it as a normal post. Do you understand? So they cannot like, comment, and also share. You can see right now, right? You can see how it looks. You can see, right? So this is how you basically see content that was posted. So that is how we're going to be doing that. So that's all. So there's nothing to do here again. All you need to do is to click on publish, and that's all. So now we have cheating and stingy, right? So I'm going to rename my campaign now to be cheating and what? Stingy. So I'm going to name it to be cheating and stingy. So it's going to be cheating and stingy campaign, right? So I'm going to leave it that way. Now, why I name my campaign is because I want it to be plain. I want to know the campaign that I'm running this particular advert for. So that's how to run ad as a professional. All right, so once you do that, so the next thing you have to do is to come back to where we have this our ad, right? Come back to where we have this our ad here, then click on publish, right? I want to publish it. Click on publish. So I'm going to publish this campaign, right? So I'm going to click on publish. So when you click on it, your advert is going to be published and it's going to put under review. Then after it has been put under review, then once it follows with the Facebook rules and regulation, and if it's okay, Facebook is going to approve it. And then once they approve it, your advert is going to be active, and then it's going to be running, and then it will be spending funds from your ad account. So right now, I'm going to be showing you how to fund this particular ad account right now. So if you've been having difficulties trying to fund your ad account, let me show you how to get it done. So now that I'm done running this particular ad, so I'm going to cancel it. Then come down to where we have our campaigns. So you can see my campaign is showing me. Account error, right? Now I'm going to be funding my ad account. So what I need to do is to hover my mouse around here. So just place your mouse around here. If you're using your computer, just come around here. Or if you're using your phone, then you have this all tools here. This 3 line here is called all tools. Then go to the billing section. So we have here billing and payments. I'm going to open it in a new tab. By opening it in a new tab is to click on so right click on it and then open a new tab, right? Right click on your mouse and then open in a new tab. So I'm going to wait for the payment section to load up right now while I fund my account. So it's loading. All right, so I'm going to click on this add funds. Click on add funds. All right, so how much do I want to add? I want to add about 80,000 naira. Then click on next. So make sure it's on PayU. Make sure it's on PayU. This particular one that you're seeing here. So what PayU does, that PayU help Facebook to debit your account and put the money inside your ad account. So I'm going to click on open naira payments with what's it called now, with PayU. Then click on continue. Click on continue. All right, so I'm going to put in my card details. And once I put in my card details, all I need to do is to click on this pay. Once I click on this pay, automatically I'm going to be getting an OTP and I'm going to be funding this account. All right. Now that you have seen that I've clicked on pay, then it's going to load me to where I can get my OTP, right? So I'm going to wait for them to send me an OTP right now. So we're just going to wait and then give them like maybe 30 seconds for the OTP to come, right? 30 seconds for the OTP to come. Sometimes it takes 1 minute, right? So just going to wait for it to come, and then that's all. All right, so here's my OTP. So my OTP is 420071. Then I'm going to click on submit. Right, I'm going to click on submit. So you're going to see them. They're going to debit this account right now with the sum of 80,000 naira. Good. So this is how to fund your account. So now that I fund my account, I'm going to click on okay, let's continue. The thing has to load by itself, and then if I come down to my, please, you can see 80k successfully added. Then I click on done. So you're going to see it here. Look at it, 80,000 naira, 80,000 naira, cheap money, right? So now my advert is going to be booming, 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 right? So this is how to do it. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Miracle Osajele. If you are new here, kindly click on the like and click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. All right, once again, see you on the other side of success.